Hello boys and girls, here we are back at the preschool. I've been just planing off the edges of these pieces I cut last night, and I've got a few just to go. You can see where the plane runs down the edge. I'm going to cut the rest of those and they'll be ready to put together. So that's my pile here, but what I did forget was a roof. So I've got some wood here and we're going to cut the roof out of that in a minute. But you can see I've been a busy boy today. I've undercoated the ship's steering wheel, got my nail gun ready to go, and I see that lots of people have nailed all these nails in the nail boxes, so they're ready to go. That's fantastic. And over here I see you've got lots of tools. That's fantastic as well. Look, there's even a set square here. I've got one of these in my tool belt, a big tool belt, look, a big version. And I'm going to use that right now. If you have a look, I need to mark across this piece of wood to cut the roof piece. So that just makes a straight line, it lines it up, makes it nice and square, going across here. And I can take that out and cut it on my little skill saw, a bit like the one you've got here. There's your skill saw. It's got a sharp blade underneath there, blade spins round. And here's mine behind me. Little baby one here. And of course I've got my mask and my ear defenders, which I'm going to put on, and I'm going to take that piece of wood out and cut it. Oh, well, here we are out on the playground. I've come out here because, as I said to you before, I've been painting in there and I didn't want any paint to get the dust from the saw on it. So I thought I'd cut out here, seeing there's only a few friends and me at the preschool today, including Eric playing there. And so we're going to cut that on the bench here, and I'll clamp it down and run my little skilly across and cut off the first part of the roof. We'll have to do that twice to get two parts because I want to make the roof stick out either side as well as out the front. Here we go. Line means I can swim across this line here. That's one piece cut. We'll do another one the same size. So these are two pieces of roof. Take this mask off. And we'll go back and put these together. So now I've just gun these three sides together. You can see the hole for the bird to hop through and the perch. He's going to hop through inside his box here. I'm going to put the bottom in. But I'm not going to nail the bottom in, I'm going to screw the bottom in because that way we can unscrew it and take it out when we want to clean the box. So I'm going to put it up a wee bit so the water can't come in. And I'm going to put a screw on here and a screw there and a screw there and put one here, so there's four. And then we can take that out at a later stage. So I'm going to screw that in a second, and then once that's in, the back will go on here. This is the back here. The back will go in there like so. And then the roof can go on top here and here. that's the last screw in to hold the bottom, and now we've got to put the back on. So this is the back. It's going to go in here. Yeah, nice fit indeed. That's good. And we're going to nail it on. So I'll just put some nails in here. So now I've just got to put the roof on, and we'll paint the roof and the birdie will be ready to use. We're going to put this out on the pole. I do have to drill some holes in the sides, remember, for ventilation, and some holes in the bottom for ventilation and drainage. Otherwise it's going to be a cosy little house for a bird in there. So lots of fun. So I'll get the roof on and I'll show you that tomorrow. Goodbye for now, boys and girls. Be good for your parents.